Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by picking a reliable VPN provider that offers fast servers and strong encryption. This protects your connection to Hianime. Once you have chosen, download and install the app on the device you plan to watch on. Make sure to create an account and complete any verification or payment. After signing in, look for servers optimized for streaming. Connect to a geographically appropriate server right away. This reduces buffering and avoids geo-blocks, so you can proceed to the core steps. Now you configure settings to get consistent playback. Choose a server in a country that Hianime allows, or use a streaming-optimized server the VPN offers. Next, set the protocol to WireGuard or OpenVPN for a good mix of speed and security, and enable the kill switch plus DNS leak protection to avoid accidental exposure. Run a quick speed test, then switch servers or protocols if latency or throughput is poor. Once stable, open Hianime and start playback to confirm smooth streaming. Finish by making sure the VPN app stays updated and you reconnect periodically for the best servers. If Hianime prompts about location or playback errors, clear your browser cache or use an incognito window, then reconnect the VPN. If content still blocks you, switch to another nearby server or change the protocol to WireGuard or OpenVPN. Sometimes that resolves routing issues. If none of that works, contact your VPN support for streaming-specific help. Describe the error and server attempts so they can assist faster.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.